What's up guys? I'm so glad to see you guys back again. I'm really sorry I opened my new channel, but I just supposed up just a few classes and then just stopped. But from today I post a lot of videos, so we're gonna study Korean really hard, and then I will teach you everything about Korean. So I hope you enjoy my channel. Today we're gonna study basic verbs. 6 verbs here. They are all for just grammar, not verb itself. Okay? But anyway, to study Korean grammar and then how to make sentence, we have to use some verbs. So I just pick up 6 here. Anyway, before we start, you have to understand every Korean adjectives and verbs end with yo or 다. 다 or your form. Let's just show you. First one, go, right? Go. 가다. And then 가요. Now you understand, right? Blah blah da, blah blah yo, like this. And come. 오다. 와요. So here also da and also yo, right? Eat. 먹다. 먹어요. sleep. 자다. 자요. Okay, meet. 만나다. 만나요. love. 사랑하다. 사랑해요. Understand? So okay, repeat with me. Pronunciation we study. Okay, go. 가다. 가요. come. 오다. 와요. eat. 먹다. 먹어요. sleep. 자다. 자요. meet. 만나다. 만나요. love. 사랑하다. 사랑해요. Okay? Finish? So next video is kind of checkups. Okay, so memorize these first, and then if you memorize these verbs perfectly, you can understand easier from next class. Okay, please, your homework is to memorize these basic verbs. Okay, see you next time guys. Thank you for watching.